Well, throughout this pandemic, Bill, daycares have really helped keep our economy running, providing childcare for essential workers. Now they're helping parents return to work this fall. And months later, some nonprofits like Child Savers here in Church Hill are hoping lawmakers are paying attention.
The time I was little, I was always the one that I was the mom, I was the babysitter, I was the teacher.
Lisa Merton's passion lies in childcare.
I love my job. I have the greatest job in the world.
But lately, her job as director at Child Time Learning Center has been challenging.
I do know that when the pandemic started, that we lost about 70% of our children that we had.
More and more daycare programs find themselves struggling.
The results were pretty compelling.
A recent survey of more than 100 Richmond Metro daycares finds 50% could not survive past 3 months without financial support.
Nearly 70% said they would not be able to survive past 6 months.
Rich Schultz with the nonprofit Smart Beginnings says pre-COVID, childcare already operated on razor-thin margins.
When you think about the business impacts, it's just not a sustainable business model.
Many times we don't think about the importance of quality childcare.
Lisa Thompson with the nonprofit Child Savers says childcare impacts all of us.
In this pandemic, I think we're being forced to think about the urgency of ensuring that child care providers have the support that they need from all parties.
Thankfully, Child Time is financially okay, but operating at 50% capacity.
I'm at the point where yesterday I took registration paperwork for the last school ager that I could have for the year. If parents wanted to come back at this point, ones that were here before, I would have to turn them away.
Yeah, Merton says she's certainly grateful for her job right now, thankful they never had to close during this pandemic due to a positive COVID case, because she says they've taken these extra health precautions. And as of right now, Merton says she has never had to turn anyone away. Working for you in Richmond, I'm Brennan King, CBS 6 News.